Hi, I'm Bianca and
I'm Sai.
I'm a videographer and
I'm a photographer.
we do content for brands and personalities, and we also just mainly do photo video productions. For me, I've always had a kin for storytelling. Form of self-expression ko was through writing, and then eventually to taking photos, and then yun, nag-evolve into videos.
I work as a kitchen staff before. So, nag-quit ako ng job ko. Nag-try ako na assistant sa mga weddings. So, discover ko, what if try ko to? Mukhang okay to. Hanggang sa nagustuhan ko. And ngayon, ito na yung job ko.
Always akong ready to discover how to express stories. For a time, nauso yung sa Tumblr lang. Doon ako nag-start talaga Tumblr. It was just for layouts, design. Tapos eventually, nag-short form content for video. I've always just been curious of creating. Yun lang talaga. Huwag kayong matakot maging noob ulit. Huwag kang matakot magtanong. Huwag kang matakot mag-try ng opportunities, ng something out of your comfort zone.
Pag nakikita ko, maraming magaling na lalo. So, mas lalo ko pang ginagalingan. Kasi yung learning, hindi siya nag-stop eh. So, kailangan mo mag-learn everyday kung kaya at sa kaya mo.
You always just do everything very honest and genuine. Because that's how you're going to keep your network and your connections.
Always believe in yourself talaga. Yun talaga, kailangan mong tiwala sa sarili bago mo magawa kung anong gusto mong gawin.
So your best calling card is good output and good work and a good work ethic.
Raptor.